So, the Fed just dropped their interest rates today. What does that mean for you? Those who are most affected by the interest rates will be business owners. So, business owners really rely on capital and funding from business loans. And the more they pay in interest, the more they're going to have to charge their customers or their clients for the product that they sell to pay for those loans. When operating costs go down for business owners, there's a better chance for them to actually have more job openings in the future. Now, is 0.25% going to be low enough? I don't know, especially since Powell was raising it every 0.5% to 1% when he was raising interest rates. So doing 0.25% at a time, I don't know if it's going to be something that will help bring prices down. I did check mortgage interest rates today, and as of today, it's at 6.5% up to 6.75%. So it's in between there, but based on how your FICO score is and your debt to income ratio and all that stuff and risk rating. Now, will that be enough to get buyers out there wanting to actually buy a house? The people that have been waiting for this interest rate to drop? I don't know. Now, this is the last time Powell will be doing any interest rate cuts or any Fed meetings. So he's already kind of told people, I don't know why, because he's not going to be there, that there might not be any interest rate cuts in 2026. But he doesn't know. He's not going to be there. So who knows? Now, the interest rates do rely heavily on the bond rates, which are backed by the government. So bonds are used to do infrastructure improvements, such as road improvements, improvements on our schools, improvement on our community centers, and all that kind of stuff. Anything that's going to be an infrastructure, even like electricity and all that kind of stuff. Because these bonds are backed by the government, they're usually generally a safe investment. Of course, it's an investment. There's going to be a risk in any investment, no matter what you're in. The bond market's actually looking pretty good right now. So I am really hoping that this 0.25% interest rate does help bring costs down, because I know that everybody in America is like, they're putting a lot of stuff on their credit cards. I mean, groceries, all that kind of stuff, just to get by, because everything has gone up. Everything, insurance, food, just everything has gone up, and I don't know how much more squeezed we can be. So in the end, is that 0.25% interest rate cut gonna be good? I hope so. All I can do is be hopeful, but it's a good thing that the interest rates did go down. It was 0.25% a couple months ago, and now it's 0.25% today. So we'll see. We just have to wait and see what's going to happen. But I know that business owners are having a little bit of a sigh of relief on it, just because of their business loans and their business funding. Because when it comes to running a business, you have to keep buying merchandise. You have to keep buying things to keep your business running. Whereas if you're a consumer, you don't have to buy that new car this year if the rates are too high. You can wait a couple of years until the rates go down. Unfortunately, business owners do not have that luxury. So let's hope that this 0.25% helps America, because I don't know how much more we can take. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.